Welcome to Cody's, sorry. Welcome to Cody's birthday vlog!
It's because the battery's dead. Someone left it on the entire time. We needed the other lighter.
Charge it.
This one's a torch. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody. Happy birthday to you.
This one's from Sway. Sway Macintosh.
You got your paper in a bag.
He got me in a that was from me. That was from Sway. This
Gloves.
Wow.
You got every single birthday present you wanted.
Thank you guys.
Do you play football?
No, Cody. Nights.
Wowzer, that's a good present.
And this one's from Caleb. It is a lot of bubble gum. Let me see. So much bubble gum. Let me see. A lot of bubble gum. More bubble gum. So much bubble gum. One more. Everybody gets one. Everybody gets one. To Cody from me. Everybody how much bubble gum. Happy birthday, bro. $20. Obviously. He gives everybody $20.
I can't believe it's my birthday.
That's a good present.
Good job.
You don't know what's in there? You brought it.
No, Caleb brought it. Whoa.
Hey,
Hands off.
get that hand out of there. Put it back.
Put it back. Boston, Wade.
You're so mean.
Everybody gets so much Caleb. Here's so much
Cool.
bubble gum. Okay, everybody, you guys have a
Time for cupcakes.
Last night.
Last night I woke up at 11:59 and waited till 12:01. I was like, happy mini birthday.
You said happy what?
Mini birthday.
Happy mini birthday. Happy very first thing in the morning birthday. Oh, you crazy boy.
You tap on your face. You gotta get it really, really focused.
Okay.
Tap it a couple times because usually it doesn't. Okay.
Okay, today at school, everybody in the halls were like, hey, it's Cody, it's his birthday. And they were like, happy birthday. So when it was like the end of the day, I got to pick out a treat from a prize box since it was my birthday in front of the class. And then they all sang happy birthday. And then they all sang it in a super stupid way because they know how like I'm goofy in a stupid way to be like funny. And they were like, happy birthday to me, and something like that. It was hilarious. Right now, we're going to get some donuts for a donut cake. And then after my grandma and grandpa Hoellein and Olivia will come home, and then we're gonna do another happy birthday.
While the cat / Cody is away, the mice will wrap their presents. So that'll be cool. Bam. Not for you, you behemoth. Let's get you taken care of. Well, whatever that grease mark is has to do with what's in here. That's not necessarily a good sign, but I definitely can't put that on the carpet, so we'll keep it grease side up. This wrapping paper, if you know anything about wrapping, is almost the exact same width. So I really only have like 2 inches of overhang. So we'll see if that will actually work. If not, we're gonna have to do good old-fashioned patch. Sorry, say that again. A good old-fashioned patch, which I'm not above. I'm not above it, but I don't want to do it. Upon further examination, these actually will overlap. So we are golden on this side. Don't look at the bottom side. Do not look at the bottom side. Just don't.
Go in. Oh, that looks so cool.
What was that? Say it a little louder.
Oh, that looks so cool.
I'll bet it does.
Put these away.
We're gonna need those.
Wait, I think I know.
What is it?
It might be like a wallpaper of Lamborghinis or something.
They're not triangle. I'm thinking kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
Oh, I was literally counting to 6. Okay, 6,
How old are you, Code?
10,
7.
I'll count. 8, 9, 10. Alright, yep.
Those ones are already counted.
8.
Oh, good.
8.
See?
Oh, good. I see
9.
Boston.
9.
Told you.
10.
You get a fit?
That's good.
It's like a crown of candles. Holy cow, that
That's
thing's
a
nice.
million donuts.
Cutie! The kids are plotting and discussing and guessing and shaking and smelling. They think they're so smart. Kids think they're so smart. Cody thinks he's getting Legos. And then he thinks that he's going to take all of the money he's earned and buy a scooter. We've outsmarted them again. Shall we go in and watch the surprise on his face?
Let's go.
Cody, are you ready to light your...
Yes.
What is it called?
Birthday candles?
What kind of cake? Donut cake? Cody, are you ready to light your donut cake?
Yes.
You right there?
He's very excited.
Oh, it's the...
Are they lighting?
Yeah, it's lighting.
He is not going to burp his candles out, Boston. Thank you very much.
I did that last
Oh, they're the colorful flames.
That's
so
why I
they're
chose these ones.
Oh, they are
kind of invisible-ish.
Oh, that's awesome.
Be darker.
Go turn the lights out.
Uh-oh, we got a fuel.
will.
No? I think Cody's hand's out of fuel. Here we go. You can kind of see the flames. They're like see-through. That is so weird.
I'm gonna get that.
Look, green, you can see it.
Green and blue.
You can see it, and then blue, you can see it.
And pink. Pink is awesome.
Hey, who did that? Who did that? Was that Blinken?
I said,
That was Boston.
I said pink.
He said a P word.
Okay, don't say any P words or other words that extract air out of your mouth. Those are cool looking candles. Okay.
Are you doing all right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody Clark. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yeah!
Oh!
Did you make a wish?
What?
I want to know what it is.
Wait, let's take out.
Can I know what it
Hey,
is?
those are gonna be wicked.
No? Okay.
Those things are gonna be wicked hot.
Yeah, there's no licking those candles, really.
Yeah, there's no.
No.
Thing, really.
And this one first. And I'm gonna take out my blade because I know this has cardboard in it.
Okay.
Board?
Cardboard.
Kids like to say cardboard, card with a
Because we've
D.
carved so many things out of it. I'm sure.
I don't know. Do you have any guesses?
Yeah.
What?
Poster of a Lamborghini or a Bugatti or some cars.
Oh,
Those aren't
hope he's not
triangles,
disappointed.
Yeah, but they can be.
Oh,
Big
fragile,
boy.
fragile, fragile,
Fragile.
fragile with hands with hair. Hands with hair. No, they can stop. I'm happy.
Boy, it's not your birthday. You have to
I know
wait.
it might be Chile. It might be Fred Chile. Must be Italian.
I mean, he's getting to use his pocket knife. I don't think he needs any other presents. That's present enough for him. He got to use a lighter and use his pocket knife. What
While
else?
wrapping, I will say this. We didn't have any regular tape. We had packing tape.
Oh, I knew it.
What could be in the tube?
I have absolutely no clue.
Yes, I knew it. I knew it.
It's a chart of all the elements.
Oh my god!
Careful, careful, careful.
Wait, let me see. This is so careful. That is so bad.
You should put that above your head.
Oh, you should put it above the sign of ours. The faces. Oh, the doors go up.
Oh my
They go
god.
up. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, let's take this. That just protects it.
Cody, you being so happy makes me so. Look at him. I'm so excited for him.
Go.
What, honey?
Here.
The little card? Okay.
Dad kind of spoiled it.
How?
He said,
I hope Lego doesn't know that they slanted their box.
I said,
Well, the box, I mean, come on, get a profile of the box. It's like bloated one side.
Cody, put it like this.
Okay.
Cody, put it like that. Cody, put it like
Cody, I just want to know, are you disappointed that you always get Legos for your birthday?
No, I love one thing I want.
Okay.
I was disappointed last year because I didn't get anything.
Oh, well then this huge one will make up for it.
Linky Roy.
How come it's wet?
Ugh. Well, just open it.
No, Mom.
Well,
I got a huge box to work with. Cody, it's not cold. Juice. It's full of Mountain Dew. Oh, yeah. Is the inside just Legos or just have? Should I open this?
why don't you just open it?
Why don't you open the box, Mr. Questions? Watch the movie and you'll find the answers.
Yeah, that's what.
What's that happen?
That's me talking to them anytime we watch a movie.
Oh.
Any
What? Just, oh, dear heavens.
I told you. Let's do it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It looks like Scooter. Don't hit me. Oh! You said it was Lego. So cool. I knew it. Look, I knew it.
Oh.
Wait, can I see how heavy it is? Wait.
So cool. It's a T-bar.
Oh, that's like.
I knew they came. I knew. Oh, this is a Y bar. Okay, we're going over to
Whoa. I think there's some stuff in that box, bud.
Okay, what's
Better
this?
snag it before you can. Oh, let's don't put that on Mom's rug.
Oh, because it might have oil.
Yeah.
There's
Put this down.
stickers.
Here.
There's stickers. Yeah.
Cody, are you surprised?
Yes.
I told you it wasn't Lego.
I told you. Yeah, I was just like, Mom always pulls that trick.
So it's like, oh no, you're lying.
Mom always does that trick.
I tricked you. I tricked you.
It comes like with two of everything.
Oh, look how cool that is.
Okay.
Let's put this thing together.
Can I have one? No.
This is super cool that it comes with so many
It comes with Pac-Man.
stickers.
Look, that's Pac-Man.
Cody loves stickers and scooters.
He's so happy right now too.
That's
Here's your tools.
that's cool. Or do you like these brakes? Just look how cool they are. Do you like these brakes?
That deck is so fat. Like, that thing is way huge.
So grippy.
Those are sweet, man.
Cody, where are your footballs? Okay, I think we might have to put them. They're a little big and
Cut
wide.
them.
No. Twist. Oh, that's backwards, I think. Oh,
This goes in
Cody.
the back.
Remember tools.
Yeah.
First, goes in the back. Safety
Here, come here.
first.
Bring it here, bud.
Safety first.
First.
Okay.
Cody's last present. Let's see what it is.
It's a trip to the ER from cutting himself.
No, he's using the scissor part of the.
I got it.
I just don't want to rip anything inside. There's a bag.
You got a paper bag.
It's a puppet. Paper bag puppet.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's money.
What is it?
Stickers.
Mm-hmm.
From Mom.
Let's check out one
To
today.
Cody from Mom.
Hold on, guys.
That says, "Stay rotten, bands off the wall."
I like that sticker.
And this says, "Utah Bear." And then, what is this one?
That one's
Power
a S3 Power Sports. That's cool.
Oh, what does that one say? Barely.
I remember you buying that.
Yeah, I thought Dad was gonna put it on his
Don't you think those are cool stickers, Code?
Yeah.
Daddy has the same one in his trailer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I've seen this one before.
Looks good.
It's so smooth.
Alright, what kind are you getting, Joe?
I do not want one, thank you.
Are you kidding me right now?
They kill my appetite. I don't know what it is. I can't do a Krispy Kreme lately. I can't do it. Can't do a Krispy Kreme.
That's smooth.
Here, can I try?
You have to eat right over your thing. We were planning on going to dinner for Cody's birthday, but we just decided this is what we'd rather do. The kids played outside on the scooter. Cody wants to just like play with his stickers and kind of see what he wants to do. That's okay because it's not your birthday. So the kids are gonna watch a movie. Lady, that's not for you, honey bunny. It's not for you.
Can I give her a little?
No, you cannot give her any bit. Nope, nope, nope.
Here's Stay Rotten, Vans Off the Wall. That's one that Dad, I think, bought. And this is the one with the scooter came with.
I like it a lot.
All of these came with
your
the
scooter.
I had one more Pac-Man, but I don't know where that
Who
one.
took his Pac-Man?
Nobody did, I think.
Okay, we'll find it. We'll find it.
I know.
We will find it. Happy 10-year-old birthday boy. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Yes, Mom.
Good night.
Kind of good night.
Happy movie and then good night.